all about port de bras. Do you guys know what port de bras is?
What's that?
Port de bras means carriage of the arms. In ballet, we have many different positions of our port de bras. So let's spread out, find some space, and let's go through it. We're first gonna start with our arms down by our belly, making a circle like you're putting the warm sun by your belly. This is called low fit. Can you say it with me? Low fit. Beautiful. From here, we're gonna keep our circle. You're gonna raise it right in front of you. Hold your favorite pizza. Yum. This is called first position. Can you say first position?
First position.
Amazing. Now, bring your sun all the way up to the sky. This is called high fit. Can you say it with me? High fit. Incredible. Now, this next one's a little tricky, but I know you can do it. High third. We're gonna open our right arm and look toward your hand. Beautiful. High third. Bring it right back up to your high fit. Now let's do it the other way. Left arm opens to your high third. Can you say that one? High third. Perfect. Bring it right back up to your high fifth. Now we're gonna open our arms side to side like a big airplane. And freeze. Oh, right there. This is called second position. Say it with me. Second position. Amazing. Now we're gonna bring them right back down to our low fifth and make yourself nice and warm by holding the sun. Great job.
That was so much fun. Let's try it with music.
Low fifth. First. High fifth. High third. High fifth. High third. High fifth. And second. Low fifth. One more time. First. High fifth. High third. High fifth. High third. High fifth. And second. Finish low fifth. Beautiful, everybody. That was great.